Selanjutnya di Grand Final Tangga Bintang 2015.
Di malam grand final ini saya akan membuktikan bahwa karakter saya bisa membahagiakan semua orang dan membuat orang-orang yang menghina saya akan merasa terkejut. Dan saksikan saya di grand final Tangga Bintang malam ini. Tangga Bintang, raihlah bintangmu.
Saya wakil Kepala SMA Negeri 10 Makassar sangat mendukung kegiatan Tangga Bintang TVRI. Mudah-mudahan anak-anakku dapat meraih hadiah terbaik atau prestasi terbaik. Miftahul Hairani Hairudin, kamu bisa.
Look at me, look at me, I am changing, trying every way I can. I am changing, I'll be better than I am. I'm trying to find a way to understand, but I need you, I need you, I need a hand. I'm changing, seeing everything so clear. I am changing, I'm gonna start right now, right here. I'm hoping to walk it out, and I know that I can, but I need you, I need a hand. All of my life I've been a fool who said I can do it all alone. How many girlfriends have I already known? How many dark nights have I known? Walking down the wrong road, there was nothing I could find. Oh, 2 years of darkness, I made person blind, but now I can see I am changing, trying every way I can. I am changing, I'll be better than